Good morning, happy Sunday. Here at MOA with my husband to focus on a very important sports event. So kahit maaga-maaga, here already even before 8. Already did my online mass as well. And I just want to share on a happy Sunday, a happy sunny Sunday, the important things that I learned, from the mass. According to Father Jomar Gatus, 3 things. First is, a lot of things happen na hindi natin control. So, minsan, hindi tayo kailangan mag-worry too much on things that are not within our control. Kasi hindi nga natin kontrolado. At pag sobra na, feeling natin hindi na natin kaya, we lift them up because it's not our fight but God's fight. Number 2, if things are not within our control and we lift it to God, what's important now is how we react to things that happen to us. Because we can decide to do something about it or not. Okay? So, depende yan sa atin, no? Kung mag-react tayo positively, paano natin matutugunan yung problema or challenge, or simply, pabayaan na lang natin, di ba? But I think we know what we need to do when there are things that we need to do talaga, di ba? Okay, and the third is yun na nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kung talagang malaki na ang problema at hindi natin kaya, i-lift that natin kay Lord. Kasi si God naman talaga ang may alam ng lahat, and He's the architect of everything. Okay, so, daming challenges sa buhay, pero sige lang, laban lang. It's a happy Sunday. Love you all. And we're blessed to have God in our lives. Bye!